Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing the images you want visible in your gallery. Open Google Drive, navigate to the folder, then tap the three-dot menu and choose Download or Make Available Offline. This pulls files onto local storage. If you prefer single items, use Share right arrow Save to device or send a copy. Once done, confirm the files are in the Downloads or a visible folder in internal storage. That ensures the system can index them for the gallery. Now move the images into a folder the gallery scans, like DSIM or Pictures. Use your Files or My Files app. Long press Items, choose Cut, navigate to internal storage, right arrow DSIM or Pictures, and paste. This step matters because the Android Media Scanner ignores arbitrary folders. Placing images in these standard folders lets the gallery find them automatically. If you need subfolders, create them inside Pictures. Make sure there is no media. Finish by forcing the system to rescan media so your gallery picks up the new files. Restart the phone or go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Show System Apps, right arrow Media Storage, right arrow Clear Cache, and tap Reboot. That triggers a fresh media scan. If images still don't appear, confirm their standard formats like JPG or PNG and not 0 bytes. As an alternative, back up the files to Google Photos and enable device folder visibility there. That often surfaces files the gallery misses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.